Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and this time we are going to be making a cotton ball jar label. In this design, I have it in black, but I'm actually going to be printing it in white. And as usual, I will be posting a link to this design in the description below. Once I was satisfied with the layout, I went ahead and clicked Make It, and I arranged it how I wanted it. Again, I'm going to be putting it on white vinyl instead of black. Once everything was cut out, I went ahead and laid it out, and when I went to put the cotton ball jar flat, it came off the lid, so I just kept it straight up. All in all, this project took maybe 10 minutes from start to finish. It was super easy. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. If you want to get a notification every time I post a new video, go ahead and click that bell. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, it has been a pleasure, and have a super day.